All right. There we go. Bring it back. Bring it down. There we go. What's going on in the chat, Michael? We still having issues with interwebs? I'm leaving it right there.
Oh, it looks wonderful.
It looks like a butterfly. That's what kind of thing makes me think of, like, or a fairy. Like that's his body, that's his wing right there. We're going to leave that quite the way it is. There we go. Get my corners. It's perfect that there's a little bit of blue right there. I'm going to spin this around. And this is not mixed. This is Floetrol and glue. So it'll be interesting to see how this dries. I'll take a little bit of this. Make sure we get the corner here. Scrape that up. It's okay. We just go back over it with some paint and make it all pretty again. There we go. All right. There you go, Doris, a Prussian blue butterfly. I really do think it looks like a butterfly, though. Like this. That looks really cool. Now I'm kind of bummed out. Okay, I'm going to torch this one more time because I think there's some bubbles in there yet. I can see one right there. That's one thing about pouring over the tennis racket is you get a lot of bubbles. There we go. Ta-da! All right, we'll bring it in for a close-up. So those of you watching the replay, get the full experience of sorts. Okay, so here we go. I love this bottom corner. And then this was just me taking that last ribbon of paint and just going around the kind of blob that was sitting in the middle. So there you go. Has a lot of depth to it. So looks like I got some more paint to play in and make coasters later. All right. With all that being said, since we don't really have chat and everybody's buffering and the internet is blowing up again, God blessed football. If it was hockey, I'd be more sympathetic, but football, really? So, anyway. I see they're talking Harry Potter in the chat.
Yes, it's about the only thing, you know, that works.
What sorcery is this? Hello, Mina. Good to see you. Yes, this is YouTube sorcery. You know, whenever YouTube fails, I do something kind of cool. This is a tennis pack over a tennis racket. So, yeah, it's fun. I've done probably 5 or 6 of them. And it's kind of fun. So, it's something to jazz up your painting. I'm none too steady when it comes to wrecking things like wreck pours and stuff. I shake too much. So I make my shaking work for me. There is some cool, okay, before we go, there's some really cool lacing going on up here. I don't know if you're going to be able to see that. But there's some really cool lacing going on up there, so it even looks more like a butterfly. I'm just so happy right now. Okay, so I'm just going to leave this alone. I'm not going to touch it anymore. I'm going to step away from the painting. Stepping away. Michael. I'm stepping away. I'm stepping off.
That's what she said.
Anywho.
That was the delay lag.
No, it wasn't.
That's I'm going along with a theme for tonight. Buffering, lagging, and your brain.
And it was a really long day for you too, because you had to work today. So, and you know, life is life. So
silly technology. I agree.
You know what, yo? If you're still lagging, hang on for a second. We're going to end this and go back and watch the replay, because last time it did this,
you fit in.
It went crazy. It went right.
Yeah.
So, thank you for joining me tonight. We appreciate you. Join us Tuesday night for Testing Tuesdays. I've got something up my sleeve, which you can't see because I don't have sleeves. I don't wear long sleeves very often when I paint. It just gets in the way.
Oh, mama.
Stop. I'm trying to wrap this baby up. Damn it.
So Testing Tuesdays, which I think you had said that you're going to take some of Michelle's.
Yes,
stuff.
I'm going to use Michelle's, that electric blue, Arteza electric blue, because I have some stuff that I'm going to test with that, because it's already in my head what I'm going to do.
Awesome.
So, and we're going to be using mix. Tuesdays kind of become mix day. We'll see.
Nice.
We'll see. So, anywho, thank you so much for joining us tonight. I need to go wash my hands. Remember, be kind to one another. Peace, love, and happiness.